Okay, so this is our Salesforce CPQ training program, and today we have a third day that we are going to start with the product setup and price books. And so far we have learned about the Salesforce CPQ installation process with demo, and yesterday uh, we have gone through the high level CPQ flow with the demo that how we can create the quote for the customer. And today we have the topic where we will learn about the product setup and the price books in the Salesforce CPQ, that how we can set up any product in the Salesforce CPQ, and what are the different criteria and what are the parameters, and all the things related with the product object and price book object, and the relation between product and price book object, like what kind of relation is there between two objects. So just let's go to directly in the Salesforce org. Let me open the setup page. See, any object, if you want to learn like if you want to check about the fields and all the data, and if you want to create any fields, so for that we can manage the objects by uh, like going through the object manager. For that you have to just go to setup, and after that you can search out any object from here, from this tab. Just click on the object manager tab. Let me search the product.
That's a good question.
Yeah, Mike, ask your question.
Are we recording? I think so.
Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah, so you can find, you can check here with the product we have different objects, but today we are dealing with the standard object, which is API name of product 2. And just click here on the product. On the product object manager you can manage all the things like fields and relationships, details about the product with the API name, what is the product name and what is the product label, the lightning record pages in the particular object. Yes, this is the promo instance, and the buttons and links, how we can create the custom buttons and links and any custom actions on this particular object. Then the layouts, the compacts layouts, the field set, object limits, record types, related lookup filters, these are all common, where you will find out these parameters on each and every object. Okay, so I'm going to the Salesforce CPQ application. Let's check there that how the products tab and where we can find the product tab to configure any products. Okay, so on the Salesforce CPQ application, you can find the different tabs with the different objects, like here is the account, opportunities, these are the standard objects, codes and products, right? So just click on the product. Here are the list views. You can check. Right now I have just two standard list views, all products and recently view. You can make your all custom list views by filtering out on the list. That means like you can filter out anything as per your convenience. Like for example, if you want to filter out the products, and if you want to find out easily by using the family. So you can just go to this icon. This is the filter icon, and you can filter out the product. Okay, so filter by owner and filter by any field, like you can filter out by the family product as well. So it will be easy to find you that which products you are going to deal. If I'm searching for specific family, product family equals to, like for example, hardware, and I'm saving this, then you will find out, you will see only hardware products on this filter. Okay, this is the thing you can utilize on any object or any tab. Okay, so you can filter out your list by using any field. Okay, so let me just open up any product. So let's go with the laptop product that we have taken in our yesterday's demo scenario. So I'm just opening the laptop product. Okay, so before going forward to how to create the product in the Salesforce CPQ, I would like to go through with the different fields and their values about the product object. Okay, because product is the main and important object in the Salesforce CPQ learning, and it is this area plays a key role in any CPQ project. Okay, if we are doing the right configuration of the products, then this is like a fundamental part of any CPQ project, that your product catalog should be rightly configured, and there should not be any wrong things to be allowed by users to do anything on the product object. So first of all, in the details first section, you will find out these are the basic fields: product name, product code, active, product family, and region. Okay, so product name is that where you should have to give a specific name, and a specified name where we can identify the name of any product. Okay, and the second field is product code. The product code is something, the SKU code, you can say. This will be the unique code for any product. Okay, where we cannot have the same product code for the different products. Okay, okay, and do you have any question?
Yes. Is there any way that you can be emphasizing those key areas, especially the areas where the interviews always come out? Is there any way that you can be emphasizing those areas? When you get to those areas, like this area that just get to, I've heard about the interview question from this area.
Okay, okay. So I will document it all the related question related with the product setup, and I will post it into our Google folder. Okay. So this kind
Oh,
of
yes,
document.
that's good. That's good. But not only that, is there any way that we can
Yeah,
talk about it
yeah,
in
definitely.
class? That will help us.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so product code should be unique. Okay, so it should not be the copied code for different products. Okay, we are just identifying. There can be a same name for the product name. Okay, there might be the same name for product name, might be the name we are using the laptop. It is the common term for any product, just we are we are making the difference by using just a 15-inch laptop or the 14-inch laptop, right? So the product code also should be the unique name. As a you can see here, they have used just a laptop 15. Okay, if I'm checking with any laptop product, so you can find out uh, there might be a same name but product code will be a different. Okay, then the third field is active is the checkbox field. Okay, so where if you have any product that you are selling it to your customer, and if you want to sell it to the customer, if you want to add it to any quote, so that time you should have to take care about this active checkbox. Okay, if this checkbox is disabled, then you will be not able to see this product on the configuration page, right? So take care of this field whenever you are creating or you are setting up the product. This active checkbox should be the checked. And see where you can utilize this checkbox as disabled or enabled. For example, we had a product in last year, like we had 10 products in last year. Now I have decided that I'm now suspending my two products. I'm not going to sell that two products in this 2023. So being like, instead of deleting that products from the Salesforce CPQ, I can just make it as inactive. Okay, so if I am making it inactive, then any sales rep or any our sales representative will not be able to see this product on their configuration page, and he will not able to sell that product, or he will not able to fetch that product on the quote page, right? So you can utilize this as per your requirement, this checkbox. Okay, but keep in mind that this should be always checked if you want to sell this product as like, if you want to make this product as actively for a selling purpose, then this checkbox should be an active. Okay, sometimes I will share the scenario, the error scenario. The sales reps, we are getting a lot of requests from the sales rep that I'm just configuring the code for customer, and I'm not able to find out the product in the list, right? So I will show you. Let me open the any code. Okay, this is the code. Go to the edit lines to configure and to add the product. Okay, if I'm clicking on the add product and search for laptop, okay, you will find out the laptop related search results. Okay, we have 13-inch laptop and 15-inch laptop. Why these products are here? Because we are we have these three products, all are the products are active. And for example, let me make it inactive, then let's check if we can find out this product on the configuration page. Let me refresh the page of the code. Again, click on the add product and type laptop. Okay, now you can see here the 15-inch laptop is no more longer to add into our list, right? So that's the scenario. We are getting a lot of requests from sales rep that, hey, I want to sell the 15-inch laptop, but this is no longer here on this list. I'm not able to find out that product. So that will be the first reason you have to check that the product is active or inactive. Okay, so this is the important part that you have to remember. I'm again making it active. Guys, you can type your questions here so I can see and check, because for every 5 minutes if I am answering the questions, then demo will be the longer. So it will be easier for us that if we are doing the question answer session, maybe the end of the session or maybe middle of the session, I will stop and I will ask you in about the questions if we are raising. Okay. So the next field is product family. So product family is the pick list field. Pick list field means from where you can add the any value, okay, as per your business requirement, like what kind of products you are selling, hardware products, software, and you are just categorizing those products by using this product family list. Okay, so this is the pick list field. You can find out this field in the object manager. Go to object manager, in the fields and relationship, find out the family field, and this is, you can find out the product family field, and the data type is pick list. Okay, so pick list means from where you can select any of the value and you can assign the value or custom value to your fields. Right now we have the already added values from the Salesforce CPQ. So they are like the hardware, software, service, support, and consumable. Okay, you can add your own values from product family field. So you have to just add the new values. Okay, from the, here is the new button, from product family pick list values you can just add as a new. Okay, so I'm adding as just test and save. Now you will see that this value will be added in that page layout. Okay, so just refresh the page. I'm just showing for the purpose that whenever you want to add any new product family in your product list, so that time you can add by just going to be that product field and add your pick list value as your own. Now edit this and check if that value is added or not. Okay, you can see here the test value is added, and you can make it you can assign this category or assign this product family as per your the data sheet or whatever the product catalog is there. So you can assign it as per your product configuration. Okay, now I seems like the region field is not like every time we use. Okay, so this is the custom field. Maybe we can use it for our purpose, like for example if we want to sell this product specific for any region, right? So that time we can use this field, but this is not necessary. You can add your own custom fields as per your convenient. Okay, now the second section is Salesforce CPQ configuration. So I'm just going to tell you that the main part of the configuration thing. So what are the things that we need to consider whenever we are configuring the Salesforce CPQ products? So configuration, first field is configuration type, right? So configuration type means what kind of configuration type we are going to be we are going to be choose whenever we are going to create the any product, right? So just let's check. This is also the pick list field. Okay, and these two fields are the pick list and these are the dependable on each other. Okay, that means this is the dependent pick list field and the configuration event and configuration type. So configuration type is a master field, and the configuration type is a controlling field, and this is the dependent field, right? That means if I am selecting any value from this configuration type field, that will be totally depend upon how many pick list values are there to be added, right? For allowed, if I am selecting the allowed, then I have the 3 values are there to be added. If I am selecting the required, then I have only 1 value I can select here, and if I am selecting the disable, then I have only 1 value also there, right? So this is the dependent fields. Both fields are the dependable, and these are the standard fields, so you can't edit those fields, or you can't add the values in that fields. So these are the standard fields, you can't edit them. So I will go through you the main performance, or what is the purpose of if I am selecting the required, if I am selecting the allowed and disable. Okay, so basically you have to understand, if I am selecting, if I am providing any values, okay, for the field, like for example, if I am leaving it a blank, okay, blank means both fields will be blank. So that means my product is going to be a standalone product. Okay, standalone means a single product. So I'm not configuring this product, I'm just selling this product as a single product. No any other product is attached together with this product. So whenever you want to create any single product, the simple formula, if you want to create any single product, okay, so that time you have to make it a blank, like for example none. This is the value, you have to select the none value in the configuration type, and the configuration event should be also the none. Now comes with the point, when we are selling any product as a bundle product, like for example products with the products, product with the child product, so that time we have to provide these values, like we are making those product as a bundle product, right? Bundle product means, I will give a specific information what we call the bundle product. Bundle product means, if any product we are selling with another child products, okay, so we have the live example of the app of the laptop, right? So laptop is the bundle product. Whenever we are selling the laptop, we are going to provide the information related to the laptop, or maybe we are selling the another accessories with the laptop, right? So that time I'm not selling just a laptop as a single product. I'm selling with the I'm selling the laptop as a bundle product, along with the charger, or maybe if I am selling it a mouse, or maybe a keyboard, or maybe any USB data cable that I am providing. Maybe it's chargeable or free of cost, doesn't matter. That is totally depend upon your business requirement, that you are offering it as a chargeable or free of cost. So that time, just assume that this is the 15-inch laptop, and I am making this product as a bundle. I want to sell this product as a bundle. So that time I have to select the values from these 2 fields. So for example, if I am selecting the required values, and after that from required, if I am selecting the always, what is the meaning of that? So required means this functionality allows the user, okay, whenever we are configuring or whenever we are selecting the product, this product should be required to configure. Configured means you have to check that what are the another products, or what are the child products are there, you have to select, or you can skip the product, but the configuration page will always open. Okay, let's make it simple by checking with the example. Okay, so I'm selecting this as a required and always. So we will check the performance or functionality, how it will be perform if I'm selecting the required and always value. So just click on the save, go to the code, let me refresh it. Go to the add product and search laptop, 15-inch laptop. Now if I'm selecting this as a laptop 15 and select, this is the functionality that is like driving the configuration page as per our product configuration, right? We have given the values as required and always. That means we can't directly go to the code page by skipping this part. This is the required part. That means we should have to configure this product by checking what are the different child products are there in the 15-inch laptop. Okay, we can't skip this part. Okay, so that's why we have selected the configuration type is required and configuration event is always. That means I can configure this product from anywhere. From anytime means the first time is whenever we are selecting the product, I should have to configure this product, right? If I'm clicking on the save, and this product will come again on the line editor on the code, right? Then I have put it the value as a configuration event. Always means event means when we are going to configure this product, at which moments we are going to configure this product, and what are the situations where we can reconfigure or configure this product. So first of all, understand the first situation is we can configure this product is when we are selecting the product from the list, right? And the second time is I have added this product on the line editor, and again I can reconfigure this product by just clicking on this wrench icon. Okay, again if I want to change anything, like I have selected the 8 GB RAM and I have selected the SSD hard drive 256, but again if I want to change this, so that doesn't mean you have to delete all the things. Just you can go to this wrench icon. That means this is the event on the code where you can again configure this product. For example, I want to select this RAM 16 GB instead of RAM 8 GB, okay, and RAM 512 GB of the SSD. So again I can save this, right? So this is the functionality of these two fields. So you can again make it like whatever on the basis of your own requirement. If for example if you are making it just allowed, so there are 3 different events, right? So add means whenever if you want to limit these events, you can just select the add. That means it will be allowed you to configure the product, but again it will just allow you at the time of product selection, but not at the time of whenever you have selected the product on the code line editor. And again if you want to reconfigure the product, then that time you will not see that wrench icon. Okay, so that means you will be only able to add this product at the time of product selection. So that means the add. And edit means if you have added that product, okay, so that means you can again reconfigure the product at the time of line editor. Okay, and if you have selected the disabled, so disabled means you don't want to configure this product. And let's check this functionality again, so we will not confuse about the disabled thing. Okay, so let me save it, and again I'm just going to refresh the page and add this product with the values of disabled and always. Just search the laptop. That means if I am selecting this product, now this is the disabled. Okay, so let's check if we are going to directly to the code page, or the Salesforce CPQ will show us the configuration page to configure the child products or not. Select. You can see here the product is automatically added here without any configuration thing. That means we can use this functionality whenever we want to sell this product as a bundle, but we don't want to make it any changes by the sales representative. Okay, like for example, I have the 15-inch laptop, but I have the only this kind of accessories along with this laptop. Sales reps can't do any changes related to their accessories, right? So that's why I am selling this as a bundle, but I don't want to change anything related with this child product. So I have just disabled, make it as a disabled and configuration event as always. Okay, so this is the functionality of these two fields, and that are also the important. So just keep in your notes that these two fields, what are the action and what we are doing with disabled and required and allowed. Okay, required means it is a required, you can't skip that. Allowed means you can configure the product again. Okay, and disable means you will not see the configuration page, it will directly take you through on the code page, not the configuration page. That are the simple things. Okay, then option layout and the option selection method is the same, like this is the you can say this is the this is not fully functionally filled and not required, but how you are going to show your options on the product configuration page, right? So for example, if you want to show them in the sections, if you want to say them in the tabs, and if you want to say them in the wizard option, right? So I will show you one example. If I'm selecting this section thing, 1 minute. Okay, so let's check on the quote object. If I have selected the section and option selection method is click, just save. So what will be the difference between what will be the effect if I am selecting the option layout values and option selection method values? Okay, again go to the add product and add again the laptop product and select. Sorry, we have to make it again required. Add product and 15-inch laptop. Select. Okay, so you are finding I have selected the section. So if I'm not selecting the section, that means they are by default in the section. Okay, if I'm selecting it in the tab, let's check. Again, add the product. This is just to make your UI as whatever you want, how you want to see your product configuration UI. Okay, so now you can see here in the as a tab format, the first category is a processor, the first feature is processor. Under the processor there are the options, then memory, under there are the option, and there are storage. Okay, so this functionality we use specifically as a tab functionality whenever we have a lot of product options are there and we are not able to see in only one single page. Okay, if we are going to scroll down, and many times we are scrolling down the page, so that time, to time saving, we are just going to assign the tabs as here, like, okay, so you can check the whatever products you have in the processor tab. You can see again, if you have another products of 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, so you can add your own products, okay, and it will save your time. So this is something you have. You can choose your option layout, and you can choose your option selection method, okay. Again, these fields are not really necessarily required. So this is something like a configured code pattern, where we can again give the the product code, right? So for configured products, as we have defined the product code, we can again define the configured code pattern, configured description pattern, and configuration prompt title. So I will give you the information related this there's the fields, but these are not a fully functionally fields, so I'm just skipping for now. If we required in any upcoming session, that time I will show you what is the function of these fields, okay. Now the Salesforce CPQ product selection, it is means a sort order. Sort order means we can define in which order our product should be performed, okay. Like you can give the sort order for your specific product, okay. So it will be there on the basis of ordering thing. Ordering means in which order you want to put your product. Like for example, if I have chosen this one, then that means my product will be always on the top of the list when I'm going to select the product, right? So this kind of thing we use in the we can sort out the products for ascending and descending purpose, right? Then the second field is component. Component means we can mark this product as a component and excluding it from the selection in the product lookup, right? So that means if I am selecting this checkbox as enabled, that time also I will not able to see this product on the product selection page. Specifically, we use this checkbox as checked whenever we are creating this product, but we don't want to sell this product as a single or as a bundle product. We are going to just sell this product as a product option. That means this product should always be sold within a bundle, okay, not as a single bundle. So that time we check this checkbox as a component, okay. Let me check you again. If I am making it as a component checkbox and I have given the sort order at 1, okay, so let's go to the code and see how it will be performed. Okay, so add product. Now I'm not in the okay, so you can see here I'm not able to find out the laptop product, right? Why? Because I have checked this product as a component, right? So that means another thing, see, first thing I have explained earlier that you can get a request whenever you are working on any CPQ project. You can get request that I'm not able to find out the product on the product selection page, right? So first reason was you have to check out if this product is active or inactive, right? The second thing, you have to find out that if this product is a component or not. If this is the component, that means you are not able to sell directly here on the product selection page. That means this product is active, but this product is being sold only within a bundle as a product option, not like as a child product, okay. And your business requirement was that this product will always be sold within a bundle. That's why you guys have choose this functionality of this component checkbox. That means this is active but not be able to sell as a single product or as any bundle product, okay. So this is the functionality you have to note down for the component checkbox. And again, for the issue of whenever you will get an issue about I'm not finding the product on the product selection page, that time you have to figure out these two solutions. Okay, the first one is you will check if, that means if product is not able to see here on the configuration page, that means you have to check if the product is active or not. And another, if this is the active, then check the component checkbox is checked or not. If this is checked, that means product will not visible, and this is disabled, that means product will be visible. Okay, so if I am making it as a disable, so that means my product will be visible now for me. Just refresh. And again add the product. So you can see instead of searching, I can find out my product here on the top of list. Why? Because I have given the sort order as a 1. Okay, this is the commonly used most of the time whenever you have the like repeated products, like most sold products, you want to put it on the top of the list. So that time you can provide them as a sort order, and you will find out, instead of search, you will find out this product on the top of the list. So that, for that reason, we use the sorting order. Okay, again, now the Salesforce CPQ pricing. Okay, so I'm just going to show you about just what are the different kind of pricing method and what is the functionality of these fields. And in detail, we have another session for the pricing method, right? You can see here in the maybe in the syllabus rule, I have added the pricing method, pricing waterfall, pricing methods. Okay, so this will be a separate session about how we can configure the pricing method and how we can apply the different pricing method to any product. Okay, so right now just I will take an overview about this pricing related fields. Okay, so pricing method means where you can select your any price, list price, cost price, block price, or percent of total price. And the first value is the list price. This is the standard pricing method. That means whatever price you have in your price book, you are going to select that basic price for your product, right? For example, you have $100 price for this product. Okay, and that price is stored in the price book as $100, and you have selected the pricing method as a list. That means anytime if you are selecting the pricing method as a list, that means you are fetching the prices for this product from their respective price books. Price book means where we store the value, where we store the prices for particular product. Okay, now the pricing method editable, this is the checkbox field where you can make it enable or disable on the basis of your business requirement, right? So that means pricing method editable, if you have selected this checkbox, then after adding this product on the quote line editor, again on that line editor you can change this pricing method. Okay, you can change it from list to cost, from block to percent of total, or any pricing method you can change it. So this is the functionality you can use or not. It is totally depend upon your business requirement, but most of the time it is not best practice to change the pricing method after selection of the product, and you have decided that this product should be sold in the list price. Then again, we don't want to give a privilege to sales reps that this product should be this product's price method should be editable on the line editor. Okay, so this is the price editable checkbox. That means if I am selecting this checkbox, that means I can edit the price, right? So that let me save the code, and I will save. It will give me the allow to edit the price on the line editor, right? That means I can you can see here right now I can't edit this. Why? Because this was not checked. And if I am selecting enabling it, then you will see here the edit icon, that means a pencil icon. to change same as per the quantity to change the prices. Okay, so if you want to give a privilege to sales rep, if they can change the prices on the line editor, okay, so this checkbox will be the same, like this checkbox will function as a to perform the editable function for the pricing field. Okay, subscription pricing is the field where we are going to define that this product is subscription product or not. Subscription product means the recurring product where we charge the product on the monthly basis, on maybe the yearly basis, right? So if this field matters only when if you are making this product as a subscription product. Okay, for example, what is the criteria to make any product as a subscription product? Okay, let's go with the subscription product. I will understand, like I will explain you how we can make the any product as a subscription product. Like for example, now I want to make this product, that laptop product, on the subscription base, right? I have the business that I'm not selling the laptops, but I have already the laptops. I'm making the business by I'm just renting out them, right? So I have the laptops on the rent, and I'm making them as a subscription product. I'm making the business on the basis of rent. On the monthly basis, I'm taking the $100 per laptop for the rent. Okay, so for example, I'm going to make this product as a subscription pricing. Then 3 fields are there, we have to make them configurable. Okay, so first one field is subscription pricing. Now if I want to make this product as a subscription product, then first field is subscription pricing. I have to define this product should be a fixed price. Then the subscription term, that means I have the $100 value. Okay, and for which month, or for how many months I'm going to rent this product for $100, right? So if I have selected 1, that means this will be a 1 month. Okay, if I'm selecting if I'm giving the value of 12, that means for the 12 month. Okay, so if I have the $100 price for this product and I have decided it for the subscription term of 12 months, that means I'm giving my product on the rent for the 12 months on the price of $100. Okay, so this is the subscription term. Then again, the second field is the subscription type. Okay, let me check, where is this field? Yeah, the subscription type. This is the field you can find out in the Salesforce CPQ workflow. The subscription type is the field where you have to decide, is this renewable field or one-time field? Okay, so there's 3 fields, and this is the third field where you have to define, is it your product a renewable, that means its subscription renews, or it is a one time. Okay, for recurring products, always select the renewable value. Okay, if you make any product as a subscription, then the 3 fields you have to keep in mind. That first one is subscription pricing, that is fixed price. The subscription term, you can make it value at your own. Like for example, if you want to rent this laptop on the basis of monthly, then you can just click as a 1, that means it will consider as a 1 month. Okay, and if you want to select your if you want to rent your laptop for on the yearly basis, then you can give the value of 12. And the third one field is the subscription type. Okay, now the same thing for one-time product. One-time product means the products which are not as a subscription product. Okay, so that time we have to just play with this field, the subscription type. Okay, doesn't matter what value you have given for this subscription pricing and subscription field. Okay, so this is the field only where you can decide this product is a one time or a renewable. If I am selecting as a one time, then definitely this product will behave as like a one time product. that means as asset. Okay, that means hardware, for that kind of products like hardware we are selling as a one time, right? And this is the only difference. You can make it by using this subscription type field. Okay, so these are the Salesforce CPQ billing. This is not our part in our training, so I'm just keeping this here. So this is the basic fields that I wanted to go just go through this functionality of these fields. Okay, I will provide the detailed document and uh, for example, you can find out the more detail for each and every field, okay, by just clicking on the icon here, like the help icon here, where you can find out what is the purpose of these fields, right? For example, if I am hovering my mouse here on the subscription pricing, so you can find out the details of this field, type of pricing to use for this subscription. None means the product is not subscription, right? If you are selecting, if you are not selecting any value, it will consider that this product is not a subscription product. Okay, so that is the thing. Let's create the new fresh product for our like a demo scenario. Okay, how we are going to create the product. So let's create the product name MacBook. Okay, MacBook.
You're a little bit fast. And
Sorry.
you're a little bit fast. Can what link did you click for you to get to this point?
Okay, so you are asking me that I need to go to slow, right?
I'm speaking for myself, so, but for me, I think so.
Okay.
A little bit.
Okay. Okay, so far we have learned about the product fields. Okay, what are the purpose of that product fields, and now we are going to create the product. Okay, so we have checked out all the things on the existing product, all the information related on the existing product. Now I will show you that how we can create the product. Okay, so up to this time, if you have any question, you can ask. Okay, so
Question.
yeah, so
You you were saying earlier when we started that you don't give the sales rep the ability to deactivate the product, a particular product. So you are, as the CPQ specialist, you give all the permissions, right?
no,
So
see,
hold on. You
okay.
give all the permissions to the users, right? So what user do you give to the sales rep to be able to remove product or activate or deactivate product?
Right. Okay, so answer for your question is most of the time in any CPQ project, this kind of activity can be performed only by the CPQ admins. Okay, so we have the specific permissions for the to provide the any user. Okay, so there are two permissions. I will show you where we can find out the permission. Just go to the setup and go to the user. In the setup, go to the user, okay. Now for example, right now I am the user only here in the like I am the system administrator. That means I will have the all access to in this org. Okay, but I will show you related to the permission sets. Just assume that I'm not the system administrator, I'm just a sales representative or any kind of profile. Okay, now It is totally depend upon like what kind of permissions we are offering to the any user. See, if any user is working as a sales rep, maybe as an admin, first of all, we have to assign them the CPQ license. Okay. So from permission set license assignment, we can assign them by clicking on the edit assignment. We can assign them the licenses. Okay. So these are the licenses I have assigned them to the users, but only that doesn't mean if I have assigned the licenses to the user, that doesn't mean they can do anything on the Salesforce CPQ. Okay. Again, the second step comes in picture, that we need to assign them the permission sets. Okay. So there are the permission sets related to the CPQ licenses, right? So just go to the edit assignment, and I will explain you the difference between the different licenses. Okay. Now just we have the CPQ admin license and we have the CPQ user license. Okay. So permission set is it is the thing where you can add an extra privilege to the user. Okay, to make any changes on any object or any field or any page layout. So if I'm providing to any user the CPQ admin permission set, that means that admin can have all the like all the permissions related to all the CPQ object. That means, as you said, for the product object, if I'm providing him the Salesforce CPQ admin, that means he can make any changes on the product object, as I have changed in our on this product. He can make active, inactive, he can delete, edit, or add any products. Okay. For that reason, you have to, if you want to provide that level of access, you have to provide them the CPQ admin permission set. And if you don't want to provide them the admin permissions, or if you don't want to make any changes by your sales representative, that time you have to just give them as a CPQ user permission sets. Okay. So CPQ user permission set means they can only just create opportunity, they can just only go to the quote and create a quote for customer and add the products, but they can't delete anything, they can't make any changes on any particular object. Okay. So that is the difference between totally depend upon your it will be totally depend upon your business requirement, that the sales what level of access the sales representative have. If you want them as only just a point and click thing, okay, that means you can give them the Salesforce CPQ user access. But beyond that, if you want to give them a privilege to make changes anything on any object, you can provide them the CPQ admin access. Okay. So right now I don't need any permission set because I have the top of the profile in the system, that is system administrator. That's why I don't need any permission sets. So I was just talking about the profiles which have low level of access, but we can assign them the high level of access by assigning the permission sets. Okay. So is it clear?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, fine.
No admin want to give that kind of power to
Yeah.
anyone.
So in the most of the business, or in the most of scenarios, any sales rep doesn't have the admin access for the CPQ. They just have the CPQ user access. Okay. If they are making the deals, they are creating the codes, that time they just need to have the Salesforce CPQ user access, not admin access.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine. So
Irfan, one question on that.
yeah.
So I see the partner licenses as well there, right?
Yeah.
So is it related to the community
Yeah.
experience
Yeah,
cloud?
definitely. So is it related to
Okay.
the community? If you are using the community portal and you are using the experience cloud, that time you can provide your customer users this permission sets.
Okay.
Okay.
Got
So
it.
if your user is a customer and you are using the community portal, that time you can assign them by creating the user in the Salesforce and assign them this permission set.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Quickly, another question.
Mm-hmm.
You were talking about the component checkbox.
Yeah.
When we check that box, does that mean there's no, the product will be sold in bundle? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Oh, standalone.
Okay. So for example, the component checkbox, the main functionality of this checkbox is if I'm making it as a disabled, okay, that means this product will be available for selection on the quote page. Okay.
Okay, available. Okay.
Yeah. And if this is the enable, that means checked, if this checkbox is checked, then this product will be not available on the product selection page. That means here, directly from here. Okay, you can use this product inside the bundle. Inside the bundle means as we used the products like CPU, this is the also product, but this is not available, right? This is not available on the main product selection page, right?
Okay.
Why? Because this product component checkbox has been checked. Let me check. Let me go through you by showing that product. Okay. So CPU. Okay. So I'm on this product. So this is not a component product. Okay. That means it should be here for the selection, right? You can see here this product is here for the selection. But if I want to sell this product just inside the bundle, not as a single product bundle, okay, so that time what I will do, I will check this checkbox.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Check.
Okay, so can we move forward? We have just like I will take just 10 minutes more and I will understand you the price book related thing. Okay, so the product you can create your own. I will give an assignment, okay, to create the bundle product and to create the standalone product. So before that, I will show you quickly that how we can create the product in the Salesforce CPQ. Okay, go to the product tab first of all and go to here you can see the button custom action. Just click on the new. It will pop up a window where you can fill out the details. Now wherever you are seeing the star icon, that means a red icon, that means this is the required field. You can't skip this field, as you can't keep it a blank. Okay. So I was going through, just give the product name as a MacBook Pro, make it product as active. Okay, make this product in the hardware category and product is MacBook just or MacBook Apple. This is the product code. And configuration type is I'm going to just make a allowed. That means this will be the bundle product. Okay, we will add the options inside this product, but right now I'm just making this product as a single product. Okay, not a bundle product. So doesn't mean that if we are making this allowed or edit. And again the pricing method is a list. Now I'm going to make this product as just a hardware product, so I'm just selecting the none. Again the field are mandatory are here. The subscription type should be a renewable one time. Okay, and just click on the save. Now we have added the MacBook Pro, right? But now we have to define the second step in the product configuration. After creation of any product, we need to decide the prices of this product, right? So here the price books comes in the picture, where we have to define the price books related to this product. Okay, we can have the multiple price books. Just note down this line. We can have the multiple price books for one single product. Okay, we can store one single product in multiple price books. but there is a mandatory to keep the price of for any kind of product in the Salesforce. We have to store the price of product in the standard price book first. Okay, so that is the standard price book. That means where we can decide the base price of any product in the standard price book. Okay, so you in the details section you don't need to find out to add the prices for product. Okay, so just go to the related. In the related list you will find out the price book section here. Okay, so price book is the object which is related to the product object, right? So this is kind of maybe you can say let me check, I'm just confused. This can be a master detail relationship. Okay, that means a price book is the child object and the product is the master object. Okay, that means if I am deleting the price book list, okay, that doesn't mean my product will be deleted. But if I am deleting the product, my all price books will be deleted under only from that product. Okay, not from the records but only from that product. So now we have the product MacBook Pro, and now we want to add this product in the price book. So just simply go in the related list, and in the related list you will find out the price books. Go to the add standard price. Okay, and there are only just a few fields. First is a MacBook Pro. You will find out these are the lookup field. Okay, from where, and this will be whenever the pop-up window is coming, that means this is the price book entry object. Okay, you are filling the information for price book entry object. Again, the price book entry is the master detail with price book and price book entry. That means price book entry is a child and price book is the master. But product and price book relationship is something like the lookup relationship. That means you can look up any product from this price book entry, right? So this is the price book entry object, and you can look up any product on this entry. Now we have taken this MacBook Pro, but again you can choose any product, right? So you can look up any product for this list. So I am selecting again my MacBook Pro. Price book is something, if you have multiple price book you can select, but right now we have just one single price book, that is a standard price book. Okay, so I am selecting the standard price book, and I want to decide the price for my MacBook. Okay, so just consider $1,000. Okay, $1,000 it will be a price for my MacBook Pro, and just save. Okay, so this will be my price book entry of my product. Okay, now for example, if I want to create any custom price book, okay, that means I have added this in the standard price book, and this is the mandatory. Okay, whenever you are creating any product, so each product's price should be stored in the standard price book. Okay, after that only if you are creating any new price book, okay, so that time you can add your own prices or in the custom price books. But if you have not stored your value in the standard price book, then again it will not show you the product on the configuration page. Okay, so again the third reason is whenever we are selecting the product from here, okay, and if you are not able to find out that product on the product selection page, that means the third reason is you have not stored your list price in the standard price book. First you have checked about the active or inactive. Okay, the second is you have choose out the component checkbox. Okay, and the third one you have to look out that standard price book is stored or not. If you have not stored your standard list price in the standard price book, then it will be not here to for the on the configuration page. Okay, now just create a custom price book. Okay, so now this is the standard price book, but I want to create another price book for my own business. For example, now I have to create another price book. So just go to the price book object. Directly you can go to the price book object by going there, or on the drop down menu from the more, you can find out the price book. If you are not able to find out here, just click on the app launcher in the left corner. This is the app launcher. From app launcher you can find out any app or any tab. Okay, so I'm just clicking and find out the price books. Okay, so click on the price books. You will see right now we have just only one price book, that is the standard price book. Okay, where if I am opening this standard price book, where you will find out the price book entries, right? So you can see here all of the products from the from this org are all stored as a price book entry with their list price, and they are all active. Okay, they are all active price book entries in the standard price book. But now if I want to create a new price book, okay, so just go to the price book tab. Okay, and create a new, give the specific name custom price book 2023. Okay, this is my custom price book and this is the 2023 price book, and I'm going to make it as a active. Now again, this is the optional checkbox. You doesn't need to make it as enabled. If you are making it enabled, that means you are considering that this is the standard price book. Okay, so you are not making this price book as a standard. So just give a description, helpful description, if you want to provide your any future admins or something like that. Like for example, for what purpose you have created this. Okay, so that's why you can give the description. I'm just keeping it here and just click on the save. Right now you can add product directly from here in the price book. Okay, if you want to add any product. Okay, if you want to add any product's price in this custom price book 2023, so you can go to just in the related list. Okay, in the related list you will see the two sections are there: price book entries and price book history. Price book history means whatever changes we have done on earlier related on this object. Okay, and price book entries where we can add the products. On the price book entries you can see here the custom action button is there, add products, right? So if I'm clicking on this, you will see the new window pop up. Okay, where you will see all the products, whatever products if you want to add, right? So you can select them all. If I'm selecting all, then you can add only 50 items at a time. Now we have a lot of items in the list, so just I will select the particular product. Okay, so for example, if I am selecting my 15-inch laptop and my MacBook Pro, at this time I am adding just these two products. Okay, so selected these two products, 15-inch laptop and MacBook Pro. Now here is you can decide the prices of this product. Okay, so just click on the next and you can decide the prices of this product. In my custom price book 2023, I want to increase the prices. Okay, because in the standard price books, that was I have been using up to the 2022, and now I want to increase the prices. Okay, so 15-inch laptop I have been selling out for the 1500, but now in 2023 I want to sell it for the 1600. And same for the MacBook Pro, I want to sell it for 1200. So this will be the prices for the custom price book, and just click on the save button. Now you will see that two products has been added to the custom price book. So this is like a vice versa. You can add the products directly go to the price book. Okay, now we have two price books here in the CPQ. One is the standard price book and one is the custom price book. If you want to add the product in the price book, you can go to the price book object, go to the related list, and in the price book entries you have to just go to the add product. Okay, and you can decide after adding the product your price, and doesn't matter whatever price is there in the standard price book. You can make changes as per your own business requirement. Okay, and the other way is you can as you added the products in the price book directly from here in the price book entries, right? Again you can add the price book or prices directly from the product as I have shown you in the related list. Okay, so I'm opening my MacBook Pro product, go to the related list, I'm on the product object. Okay, I have opened up my MacBook Pro product, and I'm in the related list. Now you can see here this product is in the two price books, the standard price book and the custom price book, right? So this is the thing that we can configure this kind of price books. Okay, now let's check and the final step of the code, that how the price will be different and how we can select the price book on the quote level. Okay, let's go to any account. Go to the Burlington Textile, go to any opportunity, for example click on the password manager license. Okay, now this is the testing scenario where we will check that how we can select the price books at the time of creation of the code. Okay, so randomly I am selecting any account, and from that account I am selecting the opportunity. So this is the opportunity. Now on this opportunity there is a no code. Okay, so I am going to create a new code for this opportunity. So this is the just simple step. Go to the new code, make it a start date as 1st of February, give the subscription term 12, and it is totally depend upon you if you want to make it primary at the first time, or you can make it this code as a primary at the after getting the decision of customer. Okay, after getting the final approval from customer that they, with the prices and all the discount thing, you can make it as a primary. But now I have only the one code, so I'm making it as a primary. Save. Okay, now we have created a code, okay, for this particular opportunity, and I want to add my MacBook Pro product for this code. Okay, so go to the edit lines, okay, but before going to add the product, it will ask me that which price book you are going to choose, right? So we have the different prices in the different price books. Like if I'm selecting the standard price book, then it will give me the prices from the standard price book for my products. If I'm selecting the custom price book, it will give me the prices that I have defined in the custom price book. Okay, so let's go with the custom price book that we have created earlier and save. Now if I click on the add product, you will see we have just only two products, right? Because in our custom price book we have added only these two products. That's why we are able to see only two products on the selection page, on the product selection page, right? So you can see here the list prices are here from the custom price book. the 1600 for 15-inch laptop and the 1200 for MacBook Pro. So in this way you can select your product again, and you can select the prices as per your own convenient. Okay, in our dummy project, where in that project I will create the scenarios related to the price book as well. Okay, so at that time you will get an more exercise related to this product creation and the custom price book. Now for today I am going to create a document where you will find all the details related to the exercise. Okay, just go through that document. I will maybe share within 1 or 2 hours. Okay, so before coming to our upcoming session, go to your org and perform your exercise. Then I will check that exercise in our upcoming session. If anybody have question on this, they can ask.
How many price book can you have in your environment?
Yeah, there is not I think so there is not limit, just there are just records that you can create. Okay, so just as I have used more than in my project more than 100 price books, okay, for a product. So this is not, but any CPQ implementation doesn't allow to create a more than 10 or 15 price books. Okay, it will be totally depend upon your business requirement, but it is not best practice to create a lot of price books for one product. Okay, if you are storing the lot of prices for in the multiple price books, so at that time sales rep can maybe they can be misconfused or misguide related to the price book. Or that we can have another option, we can automate this process to fetch the price book, like instead of selection we can directly fetch the price book at the time of quote creation, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
To be honest, I don't have a count. Okay, as for your question, I don't have a count like that. How many price book we can create? But yeah, as per I seen, we can create more than 100. Okay. Anybody have question? Okay. So today we had gone through the product setup and price book setup. Okay. So this is I am going to be checked as a mark, and uh, as you know we have now we have directly session on the Tuesday. Okay, we are skipping on Monday. On that day I am traveling, so we have directly the session on Monday. Now in this drive I'm adding the exercise document. Okay, maybe you can find out the folder, exercise folder, and under that exercise folder I will share the document. Okay, within 1 or 2 hours you will check later, and in that exercise I will give you the exercise related to our today's session. Okay, just go to your promo org. Okay, use the promo org only from now, and in that promo org perform your exercise. Okay, then I'm done with today. So bye bye if anybody don't have any question.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you, bye.
Thanks. Bye.